Bali, Shangri-La Mactan. So, lobby pa lang. Ang grande na, oh. Some pastries na you might want to try. Ako silang masarap. Yun lang din natin ako magano. So, yan. Ito, all part of the lobby yan. Medyo malaki talaga siya. So, moving on to the other side, may mga stores. And, travel lesson tour, special activities daw. So, something like this. And probably. This is the balcony view from doon sa lobby. Hey, hello. Ito na ang deluxe room sea view. Oh, laki oh. You requested for 2 twin beds. And yeah. Oh, this is view for our stay, no? Yan. Sarap magpahinga dito. Kape-kape. Wow! And ito ang toilet niya. Here's the toilet bowl. The sink. And syempre, may bathtub. Right. Yan. Diyan ka maliligo na rin. Nandiyan na yung shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Punta tayo sa swimming pool. Here it says 7.6 feet, no? Medyo malalim. Kung gusto mo mag-swimming, ganyan, okay yan. Okay. Here's yung playground for kids. Water park. And merong mini slide. Nakatawa siya. Side. Yung kiddie pool. Ayan. So, safe na safe ang babies dito. Let's walk here. Dito. Walang masyadong tao. And, ayan. Makikita mo na swing. Ayun. Ang dami din pwedeng gawin dito. Football or soccer. Check the other side. Very serene. Sarap magpahinga dito. Here's the view of the beach. So, yan sa harap natin yung Cowrie Cove. This is Seafood Bar and Grill. So, yan. Isa pang magandang view niyan. Diyan ka kumain. Oh, kita mo yung view mo. Sea view. On the other side, sa left side naman, ito, yung going to the beach na ito. Ayan. Let's check it out. So, dalawang klase yung play area for kids. Itong this one is the toddler zone. And, yan. So, mga maliit na kids yan. Okay. So, make sure to wear socks. So, nakalagay dito. Yan. Required to wear socks. So, kanina, may nakita kaming yung isang grupo, walang socks. So, make sure to follow, ha? Hirap pag di sumusunod, eh. Okay, today we're checking out Adventure Zone. So here, make sure may socks and long sleeve yung kid mo to go in. Ganun ka-crowded ngayong gabi. Maybe, syempre gabi na. Baka pag morning, mas maraming tao. Silipin natin sa taas. So, apart dun sa Kiddie Adventure Zone, ayan, meron din silang game area for adults, syempre. So, here, ayan. So, yes, merong bayad kada play. Okay. Ito yung babayaran ng packages you can purchase. So, ayan pala, parang time zone. Time zone pala talaga. Parang time zone. We even have the basketball. Slow machine, syempre, hindi pwedeng wala yan. And the usual games, that you see. Kung madalas kayo mag-time zone. Good morning, and we're here to eat breakfast. Tara, kain tayo. beach. No? So, ngayon, tatry ko gamitin tong wide lens. No? Tingnan natin kung anong difference pag wide lens. So, let's try to put it on. Okay, so this is the normal. And let's add the wide lens. Okay. Pero mga fish eh. Ayan, I don't know if you can see kung haba ng video ko, pero dito yung mga fish. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo? Here oh, ayan. Daming fish. So here is the other side of the beach. Yan, mas walang tao. Though, wala din naman masyadong tao sa kabila. So probably it's a Monday, so kaya mas walang tao. Yan. Look at yung pahingaan ang nice din. Oh. Diba? And there's salon. Dito sa health club, merong gym for working out if you want. So you can sweat. Alright, so may male spa. Okay, and this was the female spa. So here's the female spa. And here we are in New Star, and ayan, very luxurious. Ganda. So this place is para siyang Okada. So merong mall, hotel. So medyo malayong travel siya from Shangri-La, Mactan. Parang mga 1 hour halos yung sinakay namin. 1 hour, roughly ganon. So here is like parang Okada siya, hotel and malls. So pwede kayo mag-iikot-ikot. Malaki-laki ito. Kaso yung iba close pa. We're going to eat lunch at Mott 32. Trying it out. Tara, punta tayo doon. So, parang na lang kami ng direction kasi hindi naman kami familiar dito. First time to come here. charge